it's Shari Ulrich here with the Songbird tenor guitar, Craven tenor guitar. I have the first iteration in the background here. And this is the newest one. This is the Grande or Grande, depending on your persuasion. And I'm pretty blown away here. This is really, really great to play. So it's got the solid hand-selected Sitka Spruce on the top and solid Mahogany on the rest, and it's got scalloped bracing in the inside. This is kind of guitar geek stuff that is not necessarily what matters to me. What matters to me is that I love the sound of it, and I love how it feels to play. But it also has this cool bevel here that makes it much more comfortable. I'm used to a smaller guitar, so that was a really nice thing to have to mitigate the fact that it's a little, a bigger body guitar. Love the cutaway. It's just so much fun to play. So it's similar to the Martin Grand Performance, if you're familiar with that. I love plugging mine in, which I'm not going to do today, because we really want you to hear how it sounds acoustically, which is pretty fantastic. I tune to A, E, A, E for right now, this open tuning, because I'm just kind of hooked on it, and I keep writing songs in that tuning. So that's what you're going to hear with this next song. This next song is for anyone who has lost a partner. It was inspired by my sister-in-law who lost her husband a few years ago, who was my brother. And the mantra for years following a loss is, "You should be here." Today is your birthday. I'm baking your favorite cake, the same one your mother makes. You should be here. Our old neighbors are coming down from the north, maybe hang around. Help me fix a few things that I found. You should be here. Planted a willow tree, taking walks on our favorite beach. Waves of missing you break over me. You should be here. At nights with those sunsets, those moments I won't forget. We should have had so many left. You should be here. Today is your birthday. I'm baking your favorite cake like every other day.